Right, so this is the AOSH Expo. We're at My Safety Hub and we are joined by Danielle from WHSE Training College. Hello, Danielle.
Thank you. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
So, Training College, what is it that you offer? What is it that you do?
So we offer a one-stop compliance shop for all our clients. We offer a customized solution to our clients in terms of adult education and health and safety. So that would entail everything from your soft skills courses, which would include things like your first aid, SHE, AOSH courses, HIV, firefighting, legal liability. Then we also have our operator courses, which is more your construction and project management side. They would look at anything from your cranes to your forklifts. We've got a wide variety of accredited courses. And then we also have some construction courses, which would include your working at heights, rescue, scaffolding, tool certification, etc. So we have over 100 courses that we can offer.
Wow. Okay.
And then in addition to that, we offer the services, like your risk assessments, your files, your placement of safety officers. So we do try and tailor-make a solution that fits all clients, from your medicals through to your compliance, that everything is compliant in terms of the Occupational Health and Safety Act.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Yeah.
so you spoke about accreditation. If we're thinking about all your operator courses and then obviously the construction courses as well, specifically those two groups, accreditation with?
Yeah, we accredited with TITA and with CETA.
Okay,
And
perfect.
then also with QC2O as well.
Naturally, yes.
Yeah.
And then where are you located? Because, you have so many things that you offer.
So we have a nationwide footprint via satellite solutions, but we have two offices.
Okay.
One in Centurion and then one in Cape Town as well. And then we have a sister company in Durban that we liaise through in Durban.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So the training delivery, is it only at the client's premises? Do they have to come to you?
So we offer a blended model, again, tailor-made to the client's solutions and what they need. We do have space for face-to-face training. We have space for distance learning. We go to a client's premises. There are online modules as well.
Okay, well.
So you can, for example, have one module that you can do blended with online and face-to-face.
Okay, perfect.
Depending on your availability, obviously.
All right.
Yeah.
And then if someone wanted to get hold of you to get trained up, where can they reach you?
So obviously they can come to our store first of all, but you can contact us on 012-654-7231 or just check on our website, which is just www.whse.co.za.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for your time. All the best and enjoy the rest of the expo.
Thank you so much.
And we'll chat again.
100%. Thank you for your time.